Top 10 Ways Not to Hire a Roofer. Don't become another roofing nightmare story as a result of hiring the wrong roofer for the job. Here is some wisdom to help you navigate these muddy waters and avoid hiring the wrong roofer for the job. Number 1. Storm chasers are often a group of shady roofers who are literally chasing the storms to find work resulting from a recent storm, wind, and or hail damage affecting a particular geographic area. The bottom line is that if you do not want to throw away your money and get your hopes in humanity shattered, then don't hire a storm chaser, especially an out-of-state one. Number 2. Hiring a handyman doing another roofing job in your neighborhood. This is where a so-called roofer doing another job in the neighborhood knocks on your door offering to repair or replace your roof dirt cheap, as they are doing another job in the neighborhood and have a few extra guys and materials to do your roof, since they are in the area anyways. Number 3. The weekend warrior or a friend who can do your roof for half the price the regular guys will charge you. There is no guarantee that a weekend warrior will finish your roof in a timely fashion, since he will still be obligated to his day job. Number 4. Hiring a regular roofer to install a specialty system such as PVC, TPOs, or a metal roof. There are many asphalt shingle roofers, but there are only so many properly trained and qualified installers specializing in other systems. Only hire a specialist if you want to avoid a disaster taking place on your roof. Number 5. Not doing your homework in terms of properly researching and vetting the company you hire. Have you checked their track record and how long have they been in business? It's best to hire a small local company with a great track record, rather than a large company with numerous complaints. Number 6. Do not hire a company that only uses subcontractors, as this is a surefire way to get substandard work, unless of course you have personally vetted the actual subcontractor who will be working on your roof. Number 7. Not meeting your foreman or project manager in person before agreeing to any work or signing a contract. You may want to meet the person who will be responsible for day-to-day work on your roof. Number 8. Not discussing the cleanup and landscaping protection requirements before the contract is signed. If you care about the cleanliness of your home, yard, and garden, then make sure the contractor understands fully that you have high expectations in terms of daily cleanup and removal of debris from your property. Unless of course you don't mind damaged plants, landscaping, and a few nails in your tires. Number 9. Not reading the contract before signing. Make sure you understand the contract and warranty details. Ask questions before you sign any document. Number 10. Not verifying the contractor's liability and workers' comp coverage. If your roofer does not have a valid liability insurance, you may find yourself in some rough waters should a serious damage to your property occur. Only hire local contractors who objectively care more about their reputation and your satisfaction than anything else. Ready to get your professional affordable roofing quote? Get in touch now by calling our Lynnwood Roofing Experts today.